Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to explain how you can type to translate to whatever language in your Alipay app without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the search right here. Then go ahead and type in translation. Translation, and hit search. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this keyboard right here. Then click on here and type. But before then, you need to make sure you set your language right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on here, and I'm going to set this to English language. Then it will automatically translate to Chinese. So for that, I'm going to say how much is the last price. Then hit on send. Then allow it to so simple as that. And one great thing about this is that you can as well listen to your message. So for that, go ahead and click on this icon right here.
最后的价格是多少?
Simple as that. And another great thing here is that you can as well click on here to copy this particular message right here and send it to anybody that you want to communicate with. It's that simple. These are one of the great features in Alipay right now that you can use to translate to whatever language of your choice in Alipay. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.